Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. In this vlog, I'm already at the fuel station and filling up full tank of diesel on my new 2020 XUV 500 W9 automatic variant. So I thought, why not to do a real life test of fuel mileage of this new XUV 500 2020 model, so that you can all know what is the average economy that you can receive if you plan to buy a XUV in the near future. So there are many videos out there which have shown the average fuel economy of a manual XUVs, but I think this is probably one of the only videos that is going to show the average fuel economy of an automatic variant, because automatics are becoming more prominent in our Indian conditions. It makes more sense to buy automatic. So I've also bought an automatic and I wanted to check what is the fuel economy that I'm going to receive in mixed driving conditions of highway, city and also countryside roads and state highways. So let's see how this pans out. So we are getting 779 kilometers at full tank. That's the range that is showing. Let me reset the average mileage. So I've reset it. So let us see now what is the final mileage that we get. So this is Leo's first outing in the car. We are here somewhere near Kunikal. So I've been driving in the countryside from past couple of hours, getting a average mileage of 15.2 kilometers per liter. Before that, on the highway I was getting around 16.5, which I forgot to record, but once we get back to the highway, so you'll be able to see that. So totally I've driven around 113 kilometers on the Odo, plus I think around 30 or 40 kilometers which I missed. I did not reset the trip meter, so probably driven around 150 kilometers from morning, which with an average mileage of 15.2, which is actually a very good mileage for an XUV 500 after driving around 75% in the countryside and 25% on the highway. Showing 321 on the Odo, but another 50 kilometers because I forgot to reset the trip meter. After driving around 372 kilometers, we're getting an average of 14.4 kilometers to the liter. That is because I've been mostly driving in the countryside. So let's wait and watch by the time I get home what will be the average mileage of the car. We've reached home and I'm going back to a petrol station again to refuel and check what is the mileage. On this here in the infotainment, it is showing around 14.1 kmpl, but let's see what do we actually get here when we fuel it up. So we're going to do a full tank diesel.
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್
ಹಾಂ stop. So it's an auto stop. So we filled about fuel for 2,654 rupees and the total volume is 34.59 and on the system it is showing around 14.1 kilometers to the liter for around 420 kilometers. I've added 50 kilometers here to this trip because I've missed resetting it at that point of time. I remember it's approximately 50 kilometers that I've driven before I reset it. So let's calculate how much is the mileage, actual mileage per what we have driven and what we have fueled, and compare it with the average fuel economy shown in the infotainment system of the XUV 500. So 420 kilometers that we have driven divided by 34.59 is the fuel that we have filled. So it translates to about 12.14 kilometers per liter of diesel for this SUV, which I feel is actually good because this is an average mileage which I have when I've driven it in highway for about 100 kilometers. Rest of it was state highway, like about 100 kilometers. Then there was countryside roads as well, about 150 kilometers, and about 25 to 30 kilometers within the city. So this is a mixed fuel economy, or you can say an average mileage of an XUV 500 and SUV in India from Mahindra. That is probably 12.14 to the liter from what my calculation is, and as per the infotainment system calculation, or the MID calculation, it is 14.1 kilometers. So there's a difference about 2 kilometers per liter. So we need to again verify this. If somebody else has done an average mileage of an XUV 500, do not forget to let me know what was the average mileage that you have got by doing this full to tank full average test, and not just calculating, seeing the information that is provided by the system from the XUV. So that's it for this video, guys. I will surely be making a lot more videos on my new XUV 500 that I've recently bought. And if you want to know if YouTube can pay to buy this SUV and how it can pay to buy this SUV, stay tuned to my videos. Do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the like button